Domico.
Now the door opened, and in came, for a single second, she could not remember what he was called. So surprised she was to see him, so glad, so shy, so utterly taken aback, to have Peter Walsh come to her unexpectedly in the morning. "And how are you?" said Peter Walsh, positively trembling, taking both her hands, kissing both her hands. She's grown older, and thought, sitting down. I shan't tell her anything about it, he thought, for she's grown older. She's looking for me, he thought, a sudden embarrassment coming over him, though he had kissed her hands. Putting his hand into his pocket, he took out a large pocket knife and half opened the blade. Exactly the same, thought Clarissa, the same queer look, the same check suit, a little out of the straight his face is, a little thinner, drier perhaps, but he looks awfully well, and just the same. How heavily it is to see you again, she explained. You had his knife out, and that's so like him, she thought. He had only reached town last night, he said. Would have to go down into the country at once, and how was everything? How was everybody, Richard? Elizabeth? And what's all this, he said, tilting his penknife towards her green dress. He's very well dressed, thought Clarissa, yet he always criticizes him.